everyone, today on this tutorial we're going to be talking on how to create a WordPress site offline. We're going to be using Exam and WordPress. So check it out. Okay, so this is the application we're going to be using, so let's install it. I'm going to run the installation. I just want to show you how it's going to look like when you're about to install it. Okay, click on OK. Next, make sure all of this is selected, then you click on next. Then we put in our installation folder. I'm going to install it on. Then next, make sure you deselect learn more from Vietnamese, then click on next. Then to begin the installation, you just have to click on next. So I will just run through the full process. It's going to take a while, so I don't want to show everything, so I'll just show you when I'm almost done with it. Okay, so just click on allow access. Okay, so the installation is almost done. We're almost done with the installation. We are just creating the uninstall at 75%, and that should be done in any minute or any second. Okay, so here we are. Then we click on finish and we are done. So we select our language, which is obviously English, then click on save. Okay, so we start the first one and MySQL, the first one and MySQL, and minimize that. Then you allow access of the MySQLD. Don't forget, allow access of the MySQLD. Okay, so we are going to copy the WordPress RAR. The link is going to be in the description below. And we are going to go to htdocs. Then in this place we are just going to right click and paste. Right click and paste, and we just have to extract the file. Yeah, okay. So that's beyond the extraction. This is mainly what we are going to be using to create the site offline. The link is going to be in the description below. I really recommend this exam. It's a really good application if you want to create your site offline. I really recommend it. It's the best of all. I've tried WAMP, but this, I can say this is the best of all. Okay, so we are done with the extraction, and so this is it. So now all we have to do is just go straight to our browser and we put in localhost. Then you click on enter, then you select phpMyAdmin. You select it, okay, and you add new database. It must match with the name of your file, and that is WordPress. And on this we are going to create collation and click on create, and we open a new tab. We're going to call it localhost/WordPress. It must be the name of your database, and click on enter. Localhost/WordPress. Okay. Okay, so here we are. We just click on let's go. The database name, same as the name of the folder. Change the username to root. Password should be left empty. The slot for password should be left empty. Then you just click on submit. Then we'll run the installation. So on our site title, I'm just going to put in WordPress. In the username, I'm going to put in admin, and the password I'm just going to use admin just for safety, since it really isn't online. Then confirm yourself with password and put in our email. Then we install WordPress. Actually, this shouldn't take a long period of time. It should be done in any minute or any moment right now. really easy and fast. Okay, so here we are. We just have to click on login, put in our username and our password, then we click on login. Okay, so here we are. So we check out the site. So here is it. This is it. We have our site created offline in less than 5 minutes. It's as simple as that. All you just have to do is download the link of the application below.